ginger vodka is a thing, and it's insanely easy. I'm making it today here on Simply Food Recipes. If you love a cozy winter drink, you need this. Let's start with the ginger. Just grab a teaspoon and scrape the skin off. It works so much better than a veggie peeler. And you don't lose half the ginger doing it. Now grate the ginger on the small holes. Take it slow here. The finer you grate it, the stronger the flavor will be later. And ginger can be a little slippery, so keep a good grip and watch your fingers. I always grab a bit extra because the grater loves to steal some. It sticks everywhere and you refuse to let go. Just keep going until you have got a nice fluffy pile. Next, measure out a quarter of a gallon of vodka. Any brand works. We chose this one because it comes in a nice glass jug with a proper closing, not the usual twist cup. It's great to reuse later. Just pour it into a measuring container so it's ready for the mix. Give your lemons a good rinse to wash off any dirt or wax so the flavor stays clean. Then slice them into thin rounds. They don't have to be perfectly even. This isn't a beauty contest. Just keep them thin so they release their flavor. And if one slice ends up thicker than the others, don't worry, the vodka will take care of it. Grab a clean jar big enough for everything. We are using an old pickle jar because it's the perfect size. Just drop all the lemon slices right in. Now pour about 2 cups of the measured vodka into a cup or bowl and add 3 cups of honey. Mix it slowly and be patient. At first the honey just sits at the bottom and the vodka stays on top like they don't even know each other. But keep stirring and you will see the color slowly start to change as they blend. It takes a moment, so don't rush it. When everything finally turns into one smooth even shade, the color of your honey, you are good to go. Now add the grated ginger into the vodka honey mix and give it another quick stir so everything gets coated. If you don't feel like stirring anymore, you can also just toss the ginger straight into the jar with the lemons. Both ways works the same. The ginger will release its flavor either way. Pour the vodka honey ginger mixture into the big jar with the lemons. And then add the rest of the vodka we set aside earlier. Give the jar a little shake or swirl so everything starts blending together. Leave it at room temperature for at least 3 days, longer if you can wait. Then strain it through a cheesecloth and squeeze out all the flavors. Store it in the fridge and enjoy a cozy shot whenever you need it. And don't forget to like, share and follow for more from Simply Food Recipes.